Haya, tariki ni 28 naguo mweri wa kana mwaka wa 2023 muthenya uria mugwatinda gukihanika kana mbege kuma na maundu maingi kihiri na maria matinda makihanika na makiria kuma kaunti ciothe 47 mwako wako na watindia thayo na gitio kinene riu kunyita ugeni methaini tia mohoro reke ngumenyithie maria mari ku thiini ria iriku ya mohoro no mbere ndaya reke tobe tune mamwe maria tukuharireirie. Minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Profesa Kithure Kindiki wathana maafitha rugamiriri kuma kaunti ya Kilifi Mathamio Orio kumana na ikucia do makiria maigana rimwe kaunti iyo. Mutugatiri Ezekiel Ero eguthi na mbere na kuhoria ushuru gwa kahinda ka nduku ithano riri uthuthuria uratabanio iguru ria ikucia Shokahola ona thengia ya mbura nene gutheraria mihang'o eno. General Francis Omondi Ogola riu niwe murugamiriri wa mbutu cia ugitiri akiwelera kuma kuri Robert Kibochi.
Nasikia ati wanataka kupanga kwenda Nairobi katikati, ati kwenda kuharibu mali ya wananchi, ati kwenda kulete fujo. Mimi nataka niwaambie my friends, hiyo haitawezekana. Mimi ndio na Kenya, na kama mnataka kuendelea mtajua hamjui.
President William Ruto gutareria timirurugano tio kihonia guko agiukirira na njira nene itua ria ngwataniro ya Azimio ria gucokereria mirurugano-ini. Haya, mutaburuko uyu uragukinyira na njira kana mutaburuko uyu uragukinyira na njira ya mweko imwe live transmission koguo itikira kurania na ithuĩ kuri mwena wa Facebook ni @muthingi TV, kuri mwena wa YouTube ni @muthingi TV. Tugikumemerekeria kuma guku mucii munene wa Kenya Nairobi ria kwani Kariuki wa Doti tukianjiriria mohoro maitu ma muthenya wa mothe na riboti ria thiete na mbere na gwakiriria makiria ni ati uthuthuria wigi miriane irathie na mbere na kuhithukio na makiria iria andu aria makwire kumana na udini mugomu mwena wa Shokahola rungu rwa mutungatiri mugomu Paul Mackenzie ni rathie na mbere na makiria uthuthuria uyu ugitwarithio na mbere thibitari-ini wa Malindi gukinyiria riu miri igana rimwe na kenda nio irikitie gukorwo kana nio yonekanite kana nio irikitie kurutwo mutito-ini uyu riri mihang'o ino irathie na mbere mayamukite riri mutungatiri Mackenzie arithiete na mbere na kana athiete na mbere na kuhoria ucuru riri uthuthuria baranginyo na guthiete na mbere na kwambikwo ukiri uguo uthuthuria uyu wa miri uratabanio makiria ma family magana mana nirikitie kuyumiria na kugate edwa ao ni morite gukoma kiurio magena wetereri temini ria gutigirira ni mamenya niki kiraria kiria kigi ona kana edwa ao na ningi a family ciao makiri admwe andu aria mamiririo ni undu uyu wa odini muogomu. Ni uthuthuria wa miri makiria maigana rimwe ria kenda na iria kana uthuthuria uyu uratafanirio thibitari-ini wa Malindi na mkuria makiria ma family magana mana ireketie kuyumiria na kugati ona ne megukorwo makienda kunyita itemi undu-ini uyu niguo kumenya kana family ciao kana edwa ao makiriho. Tugithi na mbere ni ati mutungatiri Ezekiel Lodero guthie na mbere na kuhingirwo kwa ginyanagia muthi wa keri kiumia giukite iria atanyitwo gukana kinyio mbere ya igoti igoti niguo kana guthina mbere na gukiheana uira wake. Mutungatiri uyu aranyitirwo muthenya wa ira guku nayo thirikari ikihoya kana igoti no rithina mbere na kumunyita gwa kahinda ka nduku ingi 30 niguo makorwo magitabania uthuthuria bara nginya ihoya riri ritamanitio ni thirikari na kuria mendekithĩtie thina mbere na kuhingĩrwo kwa nduku 30 niguo uthuthuria bara nginya ukorwo ugikika. Ukiri uguo itua riake rikamenyekana muthi wa keri kana muthi wa keri kiumia giukite na kuri igoti rikaheana mwerekera makiria. Haya, tugithina mbere na makiria turi o riboti neyo igie maundu maya ma Shakahola na ikwirithite na mbere na kuonekana ne kurumirira undu uyu minister wa ugitiri wa thiini guku bururi-ini Professor Kithure Kindiki anirire guthamio kwa maabitha aria makoragwo makiruta wira mwena ucio, akiuga ati ni amwe andu aria makorirwo makiregenyuka na makiria urutini wao wa wira. Ukiri uguo Kithure Kindiki ni anirire na kuga ati matiragwa bara-ini, uko akiuga ati aria maratamanirie na makiria ngero ya gutigirira ati andu ni makwo mwena ucio megukorwo marikionereria kuri aria angi. Kindiki no ri aritie muthenya wa umuthi ni athiete na mbere na kuga ati umwe wa maundu maria matanyitwo gukorwo magitafanio narua na mituki ni gutigirira ati maabitha aria mari mwena ucio kumanagia urugamiriri munene wao ni megukorwo magithamio itemi-ini ria gutigirira ati ni meherio niguo kuhe kahinda uthuthuria bara nginya gukorwo ugitafanio na ucio.
We will transfer all station, division, sub-county and county heads and commanders of all agencies within Kilifi County effective today. Them with their colleagues from elsewhere so that we can show the public that what we are doing is for the good of the country and for the good of justice. We are not implicating anybody, but who ought to have either received a report or you may have received a report and failed to act, then you cannot be part of the team that is conducting the investigations. We have suspended the exhumation because of the weather, and as soon as it dries up a little bit, we will resume. And we have not been able to carry out the activity today because of rains. The experts have advised us that the procedure of doing exhumations for purposes of judicial and court processes involve a lot of sensitivity, including the ground must be dry to a certain level so that they are able first of all to exhume in a certain way that hurt us and you have succeeded. But this is the last we are going to have this kind of thing in this country.
Haya, tugakihoka ati uthuthuria bara nginya ni uguthi na mbere na gutamanio mwena ucio niguo kumenya niki kiria kingi. Riu tume riboti neyo tuigire uteti-ini ni ati mutongoria wa kiama kia Azimio One Kenya Coalition Raila Odinga ni ugite ati muthenya wake kiumia giukite ni megucokereria mirurungano-ini ta uria mabangite akiaria thutha wa gucokereria kuma bururi-ini wa Dubai. Raila Odinga ni onekanite kuga ati hindi iria magire kamweke ga kwenda kwaraniria na thirikari ni metamburukirie no ndi akiuga ati maundu maingi na maria mabangite maugite riu nionete magikugirio wara ukiri uguo ni ugite ati ni guthi na mbere na kwambika mishemanio yake ya gutetia thirikari guku akiuga ati maundu maingi na makiria meririria maria maheanire gutire maingi makoretwo magikinyanirio. Raila Odinga kana Raila Odinga ndoma wike ende kuona ati mwana mutirithia wake Martha Wangari wa Karua mutongoria wake makia Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka mudiki mukaruke maini kia Jubilee Jeremiah Kioniro hamwe na atongoria gikiheri na aria meguthiete kuonana na Raila Odinga riria akinyire JKIA kuma thafarine yake kuria bururi-ini wa Dubai.
Na kama kwa sababu Bwana Ruto na wenzake wamekataa kutii amri na kufuata yale taratibu ambayo tulikubaliana na wao, wamevunja hii mkataba, tunarudi uwanjani. Kesho ni Jumamosi, kesho kutwa ni Jumapili, mtondo itakuwa ni Jumatatu, siku ya Labor Day. Sasa sisi wafanyikazi mtondo go siku ya Jumanne, Tuesday tarehe 2 mwezi wa 5 tunarudi uwanjani.
Kwa polisi, tafadhali nyinyi ni ndugu na dada zetu. Kumbuka mshahara wako haujaongezwa tangu siku za Kibaki. Kumbuka wewe uko na shida ya unga na ya mtoto wako kwenda shule. Wacha tukutetee na wacha kufanya mambo ovyo. Wacha kutaka kupelekwa ICC kama Kome na Bungei.
Sisi tulisema tuko tayari kwa mazungumzo, lakini uweze kuja unaficha kisu mgongoni, ala unasema tufanye mazungumzo. Hao ni mazungumzo ama ni ulagai? Wangapi wasema hatutaki ulagai Kenya hii? Nimerudia, mimi na tuliibiwa kura zetu 2013, tukaibiwa 2017. Nikasema ngoja Martha na yeye asaidie ndugu huyu, mimi ni wasukume kutoka nyuma, wakaibia Martha na Raila tena. Mnataka tufanye nini?
Haya, hiyo ni batoni ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition na kuria meukia bikite hema yao kuria mwena wa Kibra huku ni kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Raila Odinga agathi na mbere na guthinyiriria ati thengia ya macio mothe ni megukorwo magicokereria mirurungano-ini kiumia giukite na makiria mothe wa keri. Tugithi na mbere ni ati ekwirwo atano na aria ni hamwe na mutumia ni marikitie gwikio ngono na kuhingirwo ceceni-ini ya Ikolomani gicagi-ini kia Ivole guku ni kaunti-ini ya Vihiga magikwirwo na njama ya kunyita kihinya mutumia umwe na thutha-ini maracoka kumuhahama kimwiri. Thutha ucio kurerikana ati maracokire kuoya nduthi na gute mwiri wake kana gukua mwiri wake nginya rũĩ-inĩ rwa Yala na kuria maracokire kumute kwirwaya. Kurerikana ati marahuthirire nduthi niguo gutigirira ati ni matabania gicanjama giki. Kamanda wa borithi gicigo kiu niwe wikirite ndeto ino mukonde akiuga ati ni marikitie kwambika uthuthuria ona gukirikana ati mutumia uyu ni arari na ndugu yake wendo na umwe wa andu aria marekwirwo gukorwo nio maratabanirie ngero ino.
Anaomba ya kwamba
naenda kwa duka na nikawaniwa na wajangazi, wakanichukua wakanipeleka Isuha huko, wakaenda kunikatia huko. Sasa nimepata shida na niko na watoto.
Mama alikuwa na urafiki na mwanamume mwingine, na huyu mwanamume naye alikuwa na urafiki na msichana. Huyo msichana anatoka Inyeri. Sasa hao walikuwa wanasotania mwanamume au na kwenye huyu mwanamke ambaye alikuwa anasotania mume na huyu na ule mama anatoka tu Inyeri moja.
Wakati nienda nikakuta mwanamke analazwa kwa ukuta nje, wamemfunika leso. Wakati niuliza wakaniambia wewe angalia. Wakanifunulia, wakati niliona tu damu, hata yeye hakuwa anaongea.
Liniumiza, sina neno kwa mdomo. Na hao niende nifanyiwe surgery plastic. Nilikatwa masacha huku na huku, panga ziko na kifua tena.
Serikali ndio inafanya kazi yake, uchunguzi na wakina nani. Kwa maana kama ni vijana yetu wametuonyesha mfano mbaya, kwa maana huyo ni kama alipona vile walimekuwa wameweka vitu vibaya kwa mwili yake, kwa mdomo na mahali anajisaidia, tulikuwa nafikiri hata pona.
Haya, hiyo ni riboti ya kihamuno na tugakihoka ati maabitha borithi nimekorwo magitigirira ati nimejera kumenya niki kirarire kiria kenge na makiria mwena ucio. Hiyo riboti ya betu tware kahinda-ini gaitu ka mbere ga gwikiria koguo twambe twikirie no tukihunduka. Niturahuduka na riboti makiria koguo ndugetikire guthiira mitambo guku ni kwa Muthingi TV tugikiugaga ni kihumo gia gutherema.
Hey darling, are we still on for our coffee date?
I'm waiting for you to come and pick me up.
I should be able to pick you in a few.
It's a coffee yogurt date?
It's not just a yogurt, it's Royal Coffee Yogurt.
Flow with the sweet taste of thick and smooth Royal Fresh Coffee Yogurt. Royal Fresh, the royal taste of freshness.
Muthigi ni hindi turawamba nona tukiwambaga ndi haha gwikira uira ati muthingi uria turamba wihandite ka ta ihiga ria nyaigi nitanagira nanie muthoni wa Wambugu thiini wa tabarira ya igaguriro guku kwa Muthingi TV kihumo gia gutherema.
Haya, nitwacokereria murori wa Muthingi TV githi na mbere na kumenyithia maria tugithiete na mbere na kuhariria thikiriria riboti haha. President William Samoei Ruto ni akinyereirie ati ndegwitikira mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga oro hamwe na mbuto yake gutafania mirurungano ya guthararia biashara cia muingi. President ni ataririe ati ni kunyita itemi kana ni ataririe ati mundu wothe no uri ukunyita itemi hari mirurungano ino ndekwirisha watho guko kiuga ni megutacokerio makinya macacu make watho kana president akiuga ati we ni abikite mitaratara ya gutigirira ati ni mani na ndũgamano ino no akaonania ati ngwatanĩro ya Azimio ni iregete kurumirira mitaratara iria mabikite gukiri uguo. President ni athiete na mbere na guthinyiriria ati kana Ruto ni athiete na mbere na guthinyiriria ati we ni president wa bũrũri wa Kenya na koguo gutiri hindi undu wothe mugomu ungikorwo ukihanika na makiria thirikari-ini na korwo ati ndari sheba. Riboti ino tuhaririirio ni mwandiki witu gwitwo ti Kamau wa Sheki President na kuria ekwaragia alikuria mwena wa Kajiado.
Mutongoria wa bũrũri Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto ni ahitite ndegwitikiria mutongoria wa mung'ethanĩro Raila Odinga gutafania mirurungano ya guthukia indo cia muingi guku akiuga aria makanyita itemi ni magatunga guoko kwa watho. Ruto aretio hinde ya kuruguria tafarira cia uthii wa na mbere mwena wa Rongai kaunti-ini ya Kajiado kuria ekumagaritio ni munini wake Rigathi Gachagua na atongoria angi. Thutha wa kuhingura tafarira eno, Ruto na batoni yake ni matonyire uteti-ini guku akionekana gukirira mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila.
Hatukubali mtu yeyote kwa sababu yeyote kuendelea kuharibu mali ya wananchi. Hiyo hatuwezi kukubali. Na mimi nataka nitangaze hapa leo ya kwamba haitawezekana tena. It is not possible for us to allow a few people to destroy property, to destroy people's business in quest of their own interests and in quest of their own selfish issues.
Ruto ugite ati thirikari yake ni handite wega na uria ukugeria kurehe bara ni akung'ethanirwo nake.
Nasikia ati wanataka kupanga kwenda Nairobi katikati, ati kwenda kuharibu mali ya wananchi, ati kwenda kulete fujo. Mimi nataka niwaambie my friends, hiyo haitawezekana. Mimi ndio rais wa Kenya. Na kama mnataka kuendelea, mtajua hamjui. Yes, enough is enough. Haiwezekani tena.
Roho Ruto oritie abunge a mwaho wa Azimio metikire kugia na mierio handu ha gutabania mirurungano.
And I want to tell them, wasione ya kwamba tumesema tuongee, wanaona ya kwamba ati watatuletea mchezo. Mchezo hatutaki. Uchaguzi iliisha. Wananchi waliamua. Mambo ya kuharibu mali ya wananchi, kuharibu biashara ya wananchi, hiyo haitawezekana going forward.
Sisi tunataka kuambia huyu mzee, wewe kwenda pumzika, patia rais wetu nafasi afanyie wa Kenya kazi.
Guku thogora wa muturire ugithie na mbere na kwambatira, Ruto augite thogora wa mutu ni ugwite na no uguthie na mbere na kugwa gwa kahinda ka wiki imwe yukite.
Ile bei ya unga ilikuwa 240. Saa hizi tumeisukuma. Kutumia akili peke yake, hakuna hata shilingi moja tumeweka. Akili peke yake saa hii imefika 150. Na mimi bado nasukuma. Ukienda hapo utakuta. Mimi nataka tuteremushe mpaka next week mutaona tena bei zingine mpya.
Rimwe na wa gasi, Ruto eranĩire ati
saa hizi pendekezo iko bunge tuondoe ile ushuru ambayo ilikuwa inalipishwa gas na gas cylinder. Vile niliwaeleza, tunataka tuipunguze, bei yake ikue chini, ndio kila mwananchi aweze kupika chakula akitumia gas bila ya kutafuta mambo ya makaa na ile mambo ingine.
Tino uthiete na mbere na kuyuhia gwatiro guku bururi-ini, na riu a Kenya metereire kuona maumirira ma ngucanio gatagati ka thirikari na mung'ethaniro. Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, njitagwo Kamau wa Chege.
Haya, ucio ni President William Samoei Ruto akiuga ati we niwe president wa bũrũri na koguo gũtirĩ ũndũ wothe ũngĩhĩtana hakiri hali ya kĩbara-inĩ. Rĩu tũthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ makĩria ma arutwo 100,000 kuma mathukuru matiganĩte maya gũkorwo kana waya nĩ megũkorwo makĩrũgamia mathomo mao, na nĩ thutha wa thirikari gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ yagũithia kĩgĩna kĩrĩa makoragwo mahetwo na kĩrĩa kĩoĩkaine ta HELB, na kĩrĩa kĩmateithagĩrĩria gũkorwo magĩthiĩ na mbere na mathomo kũringana na budget iria ĩrekereirio nĩ ministry ya kĩgĩna bũrũri-inĩ. Nĩ yugĩte atĩ kĩgĩna kĩu gĩkinyĩtio rĩu ciringi bilioni 14 kuma ciringi bilioni 20, gũkũ gĩkĩonania atĩ arutwo aingĩ na makĩria arĩa akuma gĩcunjĩ kĩa 100,000 maya kwaga gũteithĩka na kĩgĩna gĩkĩ kĩa HELB.
We have Geoffrey Monari.
So this year, our budget is about 14.8 billion Kenya shillings to fund about 341,000 students. However, we have we got a demand of about 500,000, which means we are not able to meet the entire demand. So we have a shortfall of about 140,000 students who we have allocated 0 for this year, hoping that next year things will be better. All requiring, about 5.7 billion Kenya shillings. And we continue talking to the students to give them hope that next year things might become better. When we look at our budget next year, we see some increment, and we hope you'll utilize those, that increment to be able to facilitate more of those students that we have funded and we didn't fund this year. You remember our system will not know that you have not gotten a job or you have not gotten into meaningful employment. So the current number is about 107,000 who have delayed in terms of payment of loans, and those are carrying about 8.5 billion Kenya shillings, and we continue to engage with them to see how we can be able to turn around the fortunes of that portfolio of 8.5 billion. Around July, which is when most of the graduations are happening, that is the time our loans mature. So that time, like last year, July, we went down to the performing portfolio was about 68%. That is quite low according to us. We are now back again, as I was looking at the last quarter, which ended on March 31st, we are back again to about 73% of the portfolio is performing, which means our portfolio at risk is about 27%. The target of the board is to finish this year with a performing portfolio of about 76%.
Haya, rĩu tũthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ na waikari kuma icagi itiganĩte na makĩria kaunti-inĩ ya Isiolo na mathiĩte na mbere na gũtetana nĩ kumana na mbura nene ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩgĩthiĩ na mbere na gũthandana mwena ũcio, gũkũ makiuga atĩ nĩ ĩrathiĩ na kana nĩ ĩkoretwo ĩgĩkua indo ciao na njĩra nene. Gũkĩrĩ ũguo kana marĩtie mĩario no rĩrĩ makoretwo makĩamũkĩra ũteithio wa irio kuma kũrĩ gĩkundi kana ikundi itiganĩte na iria kũmateithĩrĩria gũthiĩ thikũ cigana ũna. Ikaya rĩao nĩ kũrĩ thirikari nene ro hamwe na thirikari ya kaunti tikire kumateithĩrĩria na makĩria gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ amenjera njĩra njega cia gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ ate maĩ handũ ha maĩ maya kũrahaga nyũmba-inĩ ciao na ningĩ gũkua nginyanagia mahiũ mao.
Tunapeleka hizi chakula kwa all those affected centers. These are Badana Arero, Malkagala, Korbesa, Dakie, Lafe, Viliki. Hiyo ni Merti ward, Saidi ya Merti, Cherab ward. Hii Sericho ward ni Resaboru na Mogore. Sasa chakula hizi ambayo tunapeleka ni ile chakula wakati tulipeleka other towns njia kwa sababu ya mvua haikuweza kupitika. So tulirudisha chakula hapa, ndio tumeomba ndege ya jeshi ambayo inatusaidia transportation.
KDF wametukumbuka hii chakula ilikuwa ifike mbeleni hapo, lakini kwa sababu ya mvua gari haiwezi pitika, hata kuna means of transport yenye mtu anaenda naye mpaka Marti. Lakini tunawashukuru hawa kwa kutuletea hii kitu. Tumeshukuru sana, watu huko walikuwa na ukame, wamemalizwa na ukame. Lakini kwa sababu ya KDF, Kenya Air Force, wametuletea chakula haraka kwa upesi. Tunashukuru sana. Hakuna means ingine tungeweza kuipata kama si kwa kutumia ndege.
Haya, tũgĩthiĩ na mbere rĩu kuma riboti-inĩ ĩyo nĩ atĩ mũngano wa arigitani gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩ marutĩte mũhwa wa atĩ gwa kahinda ga thikũ igĩrĩ maya kũrũgamia motungata thibitarĩ-inĩ itiganĩte na makĩria nĩ thutha kana kaunti-inĩ ya Gĩthii, na nĩ thutha wa ndagĩtarĩ ũmwe gũkorwo ndagĩtarĩ ũmwe gũkorwo akĩgucokera riboti ĩyo nĩ atĩ atongoria na makĩria arigitani kuma thibitarĩ-inĩ nĩ marutĩte notithi ya thikũ igĩrĩ ya kuga atĩ nĩ mekũrũgamia mĩhang'o ya mathibitarĩ, na nĩ thutha wa ũmwe wao gũkorwo akĩgerwo ngero nĩ ekinaĩ arĩ thibitarĩ-inĩ na gũkũ nĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Gĩthii. Gũkĩrĩ ũguo nĩ mokereire na njĩra nene maabitha a borithi makiuga atĩ nĩ maregenyũkĩte na makĩria wĩra-inĩ wao, na ikaya rĩao rĩu nĩ kũrĩthũrio kũrĩ gũgĩtabanio gwa kahinda ka thikũ igĩrĩ kwaga ũguo megũkorwo makĩiga mĩro yao thĩ nginya hĩndĩ ĩrĩa ũma wa ndeto ĩno ũgũkorwo ũkĩonekana.
For the healthcare workers in Kisii, we are not going to tolerate any kind of intimidation, any kind of what happened in Luru Hospital. We have refused that one cannot happen and it will not continue. So we insist that our members will be out of that place. Actually, most of the members here, they have said they are not willing to go back. That is some of the complaints that they have raised to the unions, that they are not safe, they are not going back to that facility. They are even telling us now they want the county to deploy new faces to Nduru. You see, those are members speaking, and they are here with us because they feel like when they go back there, the same people will treat them the same way or even worse. So our demands as we speak are these, that number one, that facility should be fenced, completely fenced, because as we speak, the facility is being accessed from everywhere. Secondly, we are saying that in the next 2 days, if there is no arrest that will be made in that place, if the OCS is not going to investigate and arrest those people who are seen in those footages, hurling stones and beating our people there, we are going to close that region and withdraw all the services from the rest of the facilities in that area.
As unions, we have felt that it's insult to Kisii residents not to receive services at Nduru Sub-County Hospital due to recklessness handling issues of security by the County Commissioner of Kisii. And we want to give our super minimum to the County Commissioner of Kisii as follows. One, we must have a public apology from the people of Nduru and South Mugrango. Two, we must have arrests within 48 hours because it is in clear footages are there, and we don't want to hear issues of wanafanya uchunguzi. Wacha washike watu wawekwe ndani ili uchunguzi iendelee, because uchunguzi yenye inafanywa hatujui ni uchunguzi gani kama watu wajashikwa for the last 2 weeks. Finally, we want community-based security and safety because those are the people who support us and who can give us maximum security, not the police. Staffs are close in Nduru Sub-County Hospital will still remain at home until such demands are met, and if the County Commissioner cannot do arrests within 48 hours, will give unspecified actions against his office, not limited to, but including petitioning his recklessness in terms of handling security issues within Kisii to the Inspector General of Police, Javed Koome.
Tuthi na mbere nake gavana wa kaunti ya Siaya James Orengo riwarenda uthuthuria wa kinyi gukorwo gitafanio na makiria thirikari-ini itemi-ini ria kumenya niki kiratuma wagi wa mbeca ukorwo kihanika riri thirikari ithiite na mbere na kuungania magoti ogwo ake gukiri ogwo. Orengo nionekanite kunyita mbaru riendekithia ria magavana ria ati maya kurugamia mihang'o yothe ya kaunti gwa kahinda ka nduku 14 ciukite. Oro thirikari nene ndegwitikira kurekereria kigina kuri county aritio agithi na mbere na guthinyiriria ati riu hari bata wa thirikari imenyekane kuri ratwara mbia kuona ati kumahindiria makuriro makiingira wathani makiungania kigina no indi county irathi na mbere na kuhinyiririka kumana na wagi wa mbeca ici.
Suppose those 7 months are made available tomorrow and you're required to spend it in 2 months, undertake processes for development projects. It is a crisis by itself. I must say that in Siaya, despite everything, we have not failed to pay salaries. When we came in, some of the salaries are not being paid. And salary byproducts like statutory deductions were being retained in order to fund activities which could not be vouched for. But our development agenda obviously is affected because the development agenda is about 3 billion shillings if we add what goes to the county assembly. It is coming here in doses, small doses, and we need a big dose.
Ripoti hiyo ya Governor James Orengo itutware kahinda-ini gaitu gakerega guikiria twambatire biro cigano na cia wonjoria no tukihuduka niturahuduka na ripoti makiria.
Riu niki muthe
atiriri tigana inani nindiramenya uria ndireka mbeca ningi ni ciakwa ndari kaici ki uria ndireka na
niki murenda munjire kuwa thiku na taitu
riu ri nitumubuate tukaro
muthe
kunde guku ni ucio
ni woka atiriri we uronetio ku ni barakai kuria turendia 550
kakwira kugi
ini ha makuta na phase 2 na kuona kuturendia 350
na deposit oigana
na igana rimwe ici giokayo mweke ukareha kahora
ni ndironetio baraka kuria kwina rugiri rwa thitima na kwina mai
ini guku kwa ndagima gutire buro tietari taitu na nikio ndimwiraga ndagima
nikuga na gwika
yani
muthingi ni hindi turawamba nona tukiwambaga ndi haha gwikira uira ati muthingi uria turamba wihandite ka ta ihiga ria nyaigi nitanagira nanie muthoni wa Wambugu thiini wa tabarira ya igaguriro guku kwa Muthingi TV kihumo gia gutherema.
Hey darling, are we still on for a coffee date?
I'm waiting for you to come and pick me up.
I should be able to pick you in a few.
It's a coffee yogurt date?
It's not just a yogurt, it's Royal Coffee Yogurt.
Flow with the sweet taste of thick and smooth Royal Fresh Coffee Yogurt. Royal Fresh, the royal taste of freshness.
Haya, nitwa shokereria tuthi na mbere ni ati ahuri biashara na makiria kuma mwena wa Kitengela ni mathite na mbere na gukaya ni kuma wagi wa kana ni kumana na wagi wa thitima makiuga ati ni ndomo shogererie kana ushogererie biashara cia kuhotoma kuringana na ahuri biashara ya ni maugite ati ikayari yao na makiria kuri thirikari ona ho kana thirikari itikire kumateithiriria kuona ati thitima ni ciuraga mahinda kwa mahinda mwena ni ririgite higa ageo ashogererie gukorwo mahingite biashara ciao na riu makauga ati matiri na wiki otiga gweterera no gweterera guku wakionekana gukorwo ari kwa ihinda iraya riu ni moritie aria magiro ni gukorwo makimatangikira metekere kumateithia niguo macokererie miturire yao ta uria makoragwo.
I think we have got a problem with Kenya Power. Power comes within 1 or 2 hours every day. We must have a power blackout every day, every single day. And whenever we complain to the relevant officer here in Kitengela branch, they always tell us that they are acting on it. And to make matters worse, they are now telling us that we've got a problem with the transformer that is just around here. So we are asking ourselves, is it our problem? Are we the people to replace the transformer that is giving us a problem? Or it is Kenya Power who should replace the same transformer? So we are making a lot of losses. Every day we have to fuel our generators, and those people without generators, they are closing down businesses. This is why people are moving out of these buildings. So we are telling Kenya Power to kindly act and act very fast.
Dhirika sana, especially line yetu hakuna stima na tunaumia sana kwa sababu most of the time tunafaa tufunge saa 3 saa 4, lakini tunajipata tunafunga saa 12, saa nyingine saa 11. Mnavyoona ni giza sana. Tunaona customer hata hizi ona kitu ambacho iko mwisho. So tunaomba ambao wako relevant authorities wajaribu kutushughulikia juu biashara zetu zinaumia sana.
Tunapofanya kazi tuko na shida na Kenya Power ambayo imekuwa ikifail muda kwa muda. Hata ukiweza kuangalia mbele yangu kuna vitu ambayo tunaweka kwa freezer already iko beyond use, haiwezi tumika tena. Kwa mfano tuko na kuku ambayo tayari imeshaharibika. Ukiangalia vizuri imeanza kuturn green. Tuko na vitu vingine vyakula ambavyo tunaweka ndani. Tayari tumeenda hasara, hatuwezi tukatumia tena. But tumejaribu kuwapigia simu, tukijaribu kutafuta msaada kutoka kwao. Wanatupromise ya kwamba wanakuja, hawajawahi fika huku. Sometimes tukizidi kupiga simu, wanakuwa mteja, hawachukui sometimes simu. Kwa hivyo tuko na hasara nyingi tumepitia tangia especially mwanzo wa mwaka huu.
Kwa sana wa stima itusaidia hapa. Saa nyingine imepotea kwa muda. Saa nyingine chakula inaharibika huko kwa fridge. Nashindwa kufanya nini? Tunatupa chakula zingine, tunaenda hasara. Kiweka hapo chips, wakati tunataka kupika chips, tunaona kuna usumbufu wa chips, tunashindwa tunapasha aje. Hata tunaomba tu kusaidiwa kwa hiyo upungufu wa stima.
Haya, tuthina mbere ni atene yo family imwe kuma itura ria Kayole guku ni kaunti-ini ya Nairobi iragerera ihinda iritu na ni makiria ni thutha wa mwana wao no rikaine ta Hardline Rollins no ri hari ukuru wa miaka 5 kura tariki 16 mweri-ini uyu turi mwaka uyu. Riu ni mutu kana nyina wa mwana uyu ni uri ikaine ta Doreen Kiche ni oritie kana ni ataririe uria mwana uyu orire kuna ati atumitwo ndukanoide hidiria agithire dashokire nyumba gukiri uguo mihango yao ya kugeria gwethana na mwana ne rigite higare wikaya yao ari kuri andu othe na makiria wendi mwega kuma mwena ucio aria magikomonete mwana uyu metekere kumucokia na mucii kuna tene ruo ruria kana ni ruo rurito ruria ruri ngoro-ini ya ciaria ya.
Hapa tunaishi Soles along Saika Kagundo Road, Kayole Junction. Mimi ni mamake Halden. Halden ni mtoto wa miaka 5. Alikuwa akisomea shule ya The Joyous School around just near our house. So Jumapili tarehe 16 around saa 8 alitoka akienda duka, alafu tangu hiyo siku sijamuona hadi wa leo. Kwa duka ilikuwa ni Jumapili, sasa tulikuwa tunafanya na yeye revision. So akawa nimeona amefanya vizuri, nikampea pesa aende akajinunulie kitu. Akaniambia, mami, mimi ninaenda kununua numbers. Unaona gate yetu huwa inafungwa kila saa. Nikampea mimi mwenyewe, nikampea key. Hapo ilikuwa around saa 8 ikielekea saa 9. Niulizia huko, but huko wakati nilianza kufikiria hayuko, elewa, huko bado ilikuwa imefungwa. So kuzunguka huko wakaniambia hawajamuona. Mwisho kuonekanwa, mtoto ameonekanwa around Hill Peak School Junction, Kayole Junction. That was around 6 the same day. Alionekanwa akiwa anatembea kirudi hivi. Wengi wamemuona, lakini mwisho kuonekana it was that same day. So ujumbe wangu tu, yule mtu anaweza kuwa amemuona, amfikishe kwa polisi.
Na mmeulisha mwenye amepata ama mwenye ameona, kwa maana hata majirani waliona huko na hakujua ati hakukuwa na mamai. Sasa mimi naomba tu msamaria mema, ukiona mwenzangu mpeleke kwa police station Obama.